What is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the LG V40 ThinkQ. I do have a representative. She's going to go ahead and walk us through some of the features and functions of this beautiful design phone. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you want to see from any other CES booths today or any other content on my channel. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
What's going on, MTR Ninjas? I'm back with you all here at CES 2019. Right now we're focusing on the LG V40 ThinkQ, and just before we get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is Lisa and I'm with LG. So I'm going to run you through the first 5-camera smartphone in the US, right? Here in the CES show, we're focusing on the Penta camera. We're focusing on features like story shot, Penta-Shot, portrait mode. You know, we have an amazing display on this phone, which is a 6.4 OLED display. I'm going to turn here to the specs so you guys can see. I don't know if you can zoom in on that a little bit, but we have a 6.4 OLED display, so you have those amazing colors, tones, quality in picture, and we also have what's called DTS:X 3D surround sound. So you know what, guys, we all love to watch movies, Netflix, Hulu, all that stuff on our phone, and this is the phone if you really want to have that submersive, amazing experience when watching movies and watching your TV shows. So let's jump right into the phone. I'm going to show you a couple things now. Just before we move on from the specs, I just want to run through them really quick. We have a 3300 milliamp battery, and when it comes to the cameras, we have a 16, 12, 16 megapixel camera, and it's a standard super wide angle and telephoto lens, okay? And then we also have a standard wide angle in the back, which is 8 megapixels and 5 megapixel, okay? Now I'm gonna run you through the phone really quick here. Let's zoom out a little bit so we can show the phone. There you go, awesome. So as you guys can see, really nice looking device. Have the back here, you can see this is called Aurora Black, okay? And here are the 3 lenses. I don't know if you guys can see with the lighting, but I apologize for that. But we have the 3 lenses right here in the back, fingerprint sensor, and then in the front we have the 2 in the front right here, okay? Now, if we go into the camera, I'm gonna jump right into it and show you guys. We have a couple of options. If we hover over right here, we can immediately jump into the feature called the triple preview. So triple preview is amazing because it lets you view and really experience all 3 lenses before taking your shot. So I can actually go ahead and look at all 3 lenses and change between the one that I think best fits my picture, all right, or my scene. All right, if I don't know which one I want and I don't have the time, I just want to capture the moment and then figure it out later, I can always go into what's called triple shot. And triple shot is going to go ahead and let me just focus on something here. Just zoom this way. It's going to fire all 3 lenses in the back. And then I can go into my gallery and choose which is the lens or the scene that I want to stick with.
Wow, that's dope.
Right? So we also have a feature called Penta-Shot, which allows us to fire all 5 lenses with just 1 click. If we click here on Penta-Shot, we're also going to do the same thing, right? We're going to go ahead and we're going to focus. Just go ahead and refresh this here. Gallery, mode, Penta-Shot. Here we are. We're going to focus on this. It's going to take all 3. Then on us, cheese. All right. And then right here, we have all 5 pictures using all 5 lenses. I wish I had a better subject for you guys, but I want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Right, and then it also gets us, it gives us the option to get creative. So we can go here, create GIF. It'll create a GIF with all 5 pictures right from there. I can change the speed, I can make it faster, slow it down. All right, or I can even go ahead and make a collage. I can jump right into here, get creative. Maybe just focus on the LG V40 here, zoom it in, move it around. Maybe I want to focus just on me, or move this around, however we want to do it, right? Then we can add borders and all that good stuff. All right, so it really gives us the ability to get creative, utilize all 5 lenses, and really capture every moment that life has to offer without missing it, and being able to take it with a camera that really is pretty amazing. Pictures are so crisp, really nice looking. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. This is the LG V40 ThinQ, and I hope you guys can check it out in your local carriers.
All right, thanks guys. Don't forget to leave that like. Love y'all. See you in the next video.